Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. And on this unboxing episode, I've got an accessory and drone pouch from F-Stop Bags. So let's go ahead and open this guy up, see what we've got in here. Oh yeah. Oh, this looks great. So this is the accessory and drone pouch. It enables you to carry drone gear and accessories inside of one of their mountain packs. This could be used with other backpacks as well, but I do recommend that you take a look at the F-Stop Talopa bag. I'll link that down in the description below, and I'll also put a card at the top of this video so that you can see the review that I recently did for F-Stop on that. They did send this to me for the review. You can check that out. Let's just take a quick look at the pockets. This would be kind of the main compartment where you would put the drone in there. You could also put a drone battery in here as well. Let's see what else we've got here. This is kind of the best. This is kind of the best size for the Mavic 2. You could put your controller in here. In fact, why don't we just do that now? Drone, battery. We'll go ahead and zip that up. That fits nicely. We'll put our controller in here. Got some props and charging cable. Let's see how this all fits in here. It looks like that's going to work pretty well. Yeah, zips up into one nice little package, and it also spin that around. Also has a nice carry tab on the top. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular product. I don't know that I'll do a full review on this in the future, but if you do want to see that, make sure you comment below and let me know that you'd like to see a full review. We can get some good B-roll going with that. And yeah, let me know what you like about this bag down in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And make sure you click the bell icon right next to it too, so you don't miss any of our next videos. If you go to the end of this video, you'll see some end cards that you can follow along on some of the other unboxing I've done this week. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.